Your prospects want to discover America the Beautiful. They can discover more of it closer up, behind the wheel of a 1973 Jeep Wagoneer. The Wagoneer is the most luxurious four-wheel drive station wagon on wheels and outsells all other four-wheel drive wagons combined. The Wagoneer frame is built with an extra margin of strength to take hard, brutal punishment. The rugged axles handle big loads, yet the tough suspension system takes the bounce out of everything except the kids. Wagoneer's low center of gravity and high ground clearance gets over jagged rocks and ditches with less fear of bottoming out when exploring the wilds, blazing new trails, or towing a trailer. Wagoneer's wide tread gives sure-footed lateral stability for trips to those out-of-the-way spots where the fish are biting. Two-wheel drive prospects are the ones who are adding to the growth of the four-wheel drive market. The Wagoneer will help you sell these new prospects. Two-wheel drive prospects who want a rugged station wagon that'll take them on the back roads of America for fun and recreation and still look good parked in their driveway. The 73 Wagoneer offers a roomy interior in buff, black, or green with plenty of relaxing and stretching out room. Wagoneer's newly styled instrument panel is padded for increased safety. Fuel and temperature gauges, speedometer and odometer, and new standard oil and amp gauges in place of warning lights. The new energy-absorbing steering column features an anti-theft locking system. Vinyl floor covering and all vinyl bench seats are standard, with luxurious optional custom trims and bucket seats with center armrest. In competitive vehicles, the rear seat is an extra cost option, but the Wagoneer's rear seat is a cushy standard. Wagoneer can carry 91 cubic feet of vacation gear, load more on the rooftop travel rack. Visibility, the most. Large windshield and all-around glass area lets them see more. The 258 engine is one of the biggest standard six-cylinder engines in the four-wheel drive industry. The rugged 362-barrel V8 is again offered, plus a new 4-barrel version ideal for towing. These power-packed engines can be teamed with standard 3 on the floor, or optional 4 on the floor, or a column-mounted turbo-hydromatic. Your buyers can choose the one they want. Jeep's famous four-wheel drive gets the power to the ground with typical Jeep efficiency. In addition to Wagoneer with famous four-wheel drive as the leader in the industry, Jeep this year introduces Quadra-Trac, full-time four-wheel drive. The all-new Quadra-Trac gives greater mobility and safer performance in every on-road and off-road driving situation. It is coupled with turbo-hydromatic and the 360 V8 engine. It automatically accommodates to changes in road surface and weather conditions by delivering continuous balanced power to all four wheels in both forward and reverse. Since Quadra-Trac is a full-time four-wheel drive system, the need for manual shifting in and out of four-wheel drive is completely eliminated, and freewheeling hubs are no longer needed. Quadra-Trac has a special lockout feature to keep the vehicle moving in extreme rough terrain conditions, where traction might be lost in either the front or rear wheels. It locks the front and rear wheel drives together, resulting in undifferentiated four-wheel drive, and provides the traction needed for severe off-road conditions. Lockout device is operated by a control located in the glove box. An indicator light reminds the driver that the lockout device is engaged. A low-range unit provides further gear reduction for operation under unusually severe or off-road conditions. Low-range drive is engaged by pulling a T-lever mounted just below the instrument panel. The optional low-range unit may be added to the basic Quadra-Trac system at the factory or your dealership. What does Quadra-Trac mean to you when you're selling to your prospects? In high-speed freeway travel, this full-time four-wheel drive system provides smooth, usable power to all wheels without drivetrain wind-up, tire scuffing, interaxle fight, or adverse steering effects. All drive components share equally the power output with lower noise levels, improved fuel economy, and reduced wear on tires and other components. No other station wagon or passenger vehicle has the Quadra-Trac system. It's another exclusive, developed by Jeep to keep you ahead of competition. Available in limited quantities on the Wagoneer. It's a revolutionary idea that will give you a new sales opportunity offering, total roadability. As components become available, Quadra-Trac production will increase to meet demand. What options can you offer on the Wagoneer? You know, the extra things that make every drive a vacation. Air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, power tailgate window, bucket seats, tinted glass, a new electric clock. They are all available to make any Wagoneer as custom as your two-wheel or four-wheel drive buyers want.
Excuse me. Excuse me, are you even paying attention to me?
What? I'm sorry.
I said if you could throw in a single pack of sour cream Pringles, I'd take the vehicle.
Oh, what? What? Yeah.
All right, we got a deal.
All right, congratulations on your new Jeep.
All right, let's go get the keys.
All right, well, here's the keys to your new Jeep, man.
Oh, sweet. Do you think this can make it up Fruity Pebbles? You're gonna break something.
Sure.
The thrill of the wild. One vehicle captures that feeling with the strength and agility to master most any terrain. Nothing stands in its way. Jeep, like nothing you've ever driven.
There's a feeling